Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the mask tool in CapCut. So to do that, it's quite simple. You just have to open up the application, then tap on the video where you would like to apply the mask tool. Then on the bottom of the screen you will see this menu list, and here you just have to swipe to the left until you see the mask option. Then tap on mask and select the mask type that you would like to apply. Let's say we want this circle style of mask. Then you can size it to your needs as you like. You can make it as big or as small as you prefer. You can even apply this feather option, which means that the mask is not going to have sharp edges, but these more soft ones. And then your masked video is basically ready and you can place it anywhere, and this is how it's going to look. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider sending a super thanks donation, and see you in the next video.